Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to clean a K&N air filter. These are an oiled air filter, and a similar procedure can most likely be applied to other reusable air filters as well. This came on the truck as it had a custom intake. I won't be applying oil as I have found the filter to have a small wear hole, so it will be replaced with a non-oiled air filter instead. First, remove the air filter from the vehicle, which I have already done here. Don't work off the ground where you can risk introducing dirt into the air filter. This can be used on the blowing or suction features depending on which yours is equipped with. Remove any loose debris. For blowing, work from the inside out to blow off any debris from the filter's exterior. Don't blow any debris against the filter as it may be embedded more. An air compressor can also be used, just make sure it's at a low PSI so it doesn't damage the filter material. On the outside, using the suction feature instead. The filter does have an exterior mesh, which does help protect the filter to some extent. Filter cleaning, recommended by K&N, is required every 80,000 kilometers or 50,000 miles under normal driving conditions, but this can vary depending on what your vehicle is exposed to. If the filter is damaged, such as this one, then a replacement filter is needed. Once done with the vacuuming, a multi-purpose cleaner is used to remove any remaining dirt and oil residue. Don't use a solvent here as you may damage the filter. For this I have the same cleaner I use on interiors and engines. It comes as a concentrate and is mixed based on the application. A similar product would be Spray 9. The cleaner is only needed on the outside, then let it soak in for a few minutes. Don't work directly in the sun where it can dry. Using a hose on a low pressure with a fan spray, work from the inside out, pushing out any dirt and oil. You'll need to rotate the filter, working up and down the material. Wash the outside of the filter, again washing away any dirt and oil residue. Don't use high pressure where it may damage the filter material. Inspect the filter. If dirt is still present, apply more degreaser and let it soak in for a few more minutes. A toothbrush can also be used to clean the metal cap and rubber on the clamp side. Don't use it on the filter material. Using the same process as previously with the hose, work from the inside out. And finally, rinse the outside. When done, make sure you have a wet-dry compatible vacuum to remove any water residue from the outside. The blowing feature can also be used on the vacuum or using compressed air, again at light pressure. Removing any water residue just helps the filter dry quicker. Then allow it to air dry before applying the required oil on the outside and finally install back onto your vehicle. The oil on the outside of the filter does serve a purpose, and filters are designed around this feature. They provide a way for the airborne contaminants to stick instead of traveling through the filter. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.